Now continuing with loops, let us see what exactly how do we operate a while loop. Now I am not removing this switch. I will try to put down a program using while and switch where we'll print every day of a month. So the simple definition or declaration for a while loop is while and then a condition, and then we have the loop part. So as long as the condition returns true, this loop continues on executing, and as soon as the loop condition returns false, the loop stops. So we must have a point in the loop whereby we must ensure that the loop closes at any point of time. Otherwise it will lead to infinite loop whereby we will have to forcefully close down the loop. So in its simplest form, I can have a variable, say int I is equal to 0, and we can put down a condition which is I less than 10, and I can print on system.out.println I plus plus. So let us see what is the output of the. I'll just comment this time being so that we can just focus on the while loop. Now it has returned me a value which is from 0 to 9. So this is how a while loop works. And suppose I need to work this while loop infinitely, then can we just operate as we had a for loop where it defaulted to a true value, the condition part, whereas in case of while the condition part does not default to anything, so we need to write a true to ensure an infinite loop for a counter, so such as a I. So if I run, I will have to close this program manually. So as you can see, so this is an infinite loop for a while. Now in case I put something like, say I equal to 3 less than 5, so what this loop will return? Now this is all inside the loop. We are always initializing I to some value which is 3 and which is always less than 5. So printing in I will always return us 3, and this loop will continue forever printing 3. So as you can see, it is continuing printing 3, and in case I reinitialize, or I'll just comment this line. So can I do this, that I initialize the variable with some value and compare it at the same time within the while and then print it within the loop part. So this is what is not allowed. We cannot initialize a variable within the while. So this I'll have to remove. Earlier as it was working, it will still continue working. So in case I want to write a while loop that iterates through the entire month and gives us the dates and the days for all the dates. So what I can do is I can put this switch within a while loop, and we'll say while day of week less than, say we can take any month, let's say a month with 30 days, and the first day of the month is Monday. So what I can do is I can put down the so I can make a correction like this to all the statements. So I have corrected almost all. So let us now try to see the output of this. Now while day of the week less than 30, however, we made a small mistake that we haven't incremented the value of day of the week. So this is a switch, and I can increment day of week. Now as you can see, there is a problem here because we have case values from 1 to 7 and we are trying to use values from 1 to 30. So what we'll do is we'll try to take a remainder of and we can take another variable. Day of week is 1, okay, and we can say another day. Now while day of week less than 30, we can say day is equal to day of week divided by 7. Say take a remainder of this and then put down here so let us see if now we have set it right. Let us see, first day is Monday, second is Tuesday, third Wednesday, fourth Thursday, fifth is Friday, sixth Saturday, seventh, for seventh value we got it wrong. Eighth, ninth, rest all values are okay except for the 7 value. Now because 7% is 7 comes to be 0, and this is where we have a problem. So either we can do this to be 0, or what we can do is that if day is equal to 0, we can set the way of the day to 7. Either way we can do it. Either let this be as such, and we can say if day equal to 0, let day be equal to 7. So let us see now what happens. Monday, Tuesday, Friday, Saturday, and then we have the 7th day of the month is Sunday, then again Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday until the 29th. So this is how we can put on a while loop to print the entire days calendar of the month using a while loop and a switch loop.